beautiful day. Okay, so I'm driving and thinking about the sun and the moon. It seems so complicated on a flat Earth, because the moon seems to be kind of like a half circle, and we only see that half circle. And the sun, as it travels from the horizon above our head and then to the opposite horizon, it looks like a ball. You know, I mean, when I look at the rays from the clouds, if the sun is farther away and the clouds are closer to me, but I can see them in front, you see the rays going up and down and left and right, you know, all the way around the cloud. It's beautiful, actually. Anyways, makes me imagine a ball kind of floating towards us and leaving us. But what's holding that ball? Why is it staying up there? You know, is it just a light that is not dense? It's real light, so it stays up as a cloud does? You know, I don't know. See, I'm looking at the sun right now, and maybe with my shades on, it's super shiny, but I could pretty much draw it as a flattened disc. But as it gets above me, instead of 12 o'clock, I want to say that maybe it does look like a flat disc facing down. So if that's the case, if I could see the front and it looks somewhat flat, above me flat, looking down, and flat the opposite way, it can't be flipping and twisting, I want to say. So obviously it has to be some sort of sphere. So the reason I'm making this video is, I don't know if I'm old, any of y'all newbies, young kids or whatever, and you guys remember where they had this stuff you would buy like in Spencer or Trick places, where you could buy, you know, cool shirts, magical stuff, sex shirts and toys and clothing, a place like that. And I remember seeing this square box, and inside of it there was a light and a figure of a face, and that face, no matter which way you walk, it followed you. You know, it just from inside the box. It was weird, because if somebody else was looking at it, two people at the same time in different spots, it was looking at both, but only your perception looked like it was looking only at you. So I'm looking at my GPS. So it makes me wonder, what if that's what the moon and the sun are? They're concave, I want to say. So imagine a ball, and you cut it in half, and you put the design of the moon on it, place it up high, you know, high where somebody can see it, kind of have some sort of light shining it, reflecting. The moon will be reflecting a light, and the way you designed the moon, you know, it looked like a real moon. So as you look at this moon, it seems to be always looking at you. And what about the sun? You know, same thing. You get a cut half of a ball. You have this concave cylinder, and inside of it, there's a light. Now, I don't know if it will be inside of it, because I'm looking at something right now. I don't have no super tints or nothing like that, so I don't know if it looks stronger in the middle, as if like a light in the house, you know, one of those lights that have like a dish shape on it, so you can focus the light ray to where you want it. I don't know if it's something like that. You know, I mean, it could be something that we can't think about. You know, because you gotta think outside the box. Everything we think about is been somewhat implanted in our heads. So, what if maybe it's vibrating? And that vibration in the vacuum of density, pressure of density, I guess. Maybe the vacuum of density, I guess, you know, mixing science and science. It's causing it to resonate and cause a shine. And that's why we see it as a ball, like the face in the box. It looked like a face. It was actually a face, as this is the way it looked for those that don't know, that are listening to this nobody talking, me, Ricky. It's like if I get some masking plaster, or however it is that they make, you know, mask, and I make a mask of myself, you know, my nose, my lips, everything. And once that dries and I take it out, it's my face, but inside out. So that's how that looked. It was like a plastic white thing with a face, you know, plaster type technology, and this light shined on it. So since it was white, it made it brighter. It almost made the nose look like it was not inward, concave to itself. It looked like the nose was sticking out as mine is, except it was reversed. So that's how that looked, you know. What if that's what we're seeing up there? A concave sun and a concave moon. And it makes me think about that one video I saw when some young man was trying to explain a lunar eclipse, and behold, the more he looked at it, the shadow, according to where the earth stood as a globe, and where the moon's at in the sun, he was expecting to see a shadow. He was expecting to see a shadow coming up from the bottom of the moon, and by luck, or by jolly, or by miracle, the shadow was flipped. The shadow was coming from the top, if I'm not mistaken. And that was pretty puzzling, you know. But I want to say, in a concave moon, I want to say, I'm not a professional at concaveness, but you know, if a light's coming a certain way because it's in, it will show the shadow on the top, I want to say. I don't know, I guess I'm going to try it out. I'm trying to talk about stuff that only scientists or scientific minds could do. The thing with me is I speak freely. It's opinions, it's not fact. Take it how you take it. And with that, just making people think. Peace.